Hey there everyone, in today's video I'm going to show you how to share your countdown to your story. So I've already showed you how to make a countdown for your story for an event that's coming up, but I haven't showed you how to share that countdown when it's almost up to your story. Why? Well, because I couldn't earlier. The only way to do that actually is by just waiting for the countdown to come closer and closer until it ends. So open up your Instagram and you should have the notification your countdown party time ends tomorrow. Want to share it to your story? Just click on it, and as you can see you will have the timer here, party time that I've set up, and you can just share it to your story. Of course you can add an image, but you can just take a picture, edit it to whatever you want, and share to your story. Now if you look, party time is almost again displayed over, so pretty cool. Hope this helped. If it did, leave a like and subscribe, and have a nice day.